So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to switch your Instagram account to professional account. So the first thing you need to go to the Instagram, and then you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner, and then you need to click three line on the top right corner, and then you need to a little bit scroll down, and then you will see for professional account type and control, and then click, and then you will see account type, switch to professional account and click, and the next thing click next. You can choose your category. If you're artist, you can choose your artist, so click that, switch to professional account and click OK. So you can choose your creator or business. If you are a business, so you can choose a business. If you're my blogger or creator, you can choose a creator. And then you can add your information. If you don't want to, you can don't use my contact info. So right now you can log in with your Facebook. If you don't want, you can skip. So set up your professional account. There is a lot of one of 8 steps. So you can fill your professional use. If you don't want that, you can click your X sign on the top right corner, and then there is the professional dashboard appear. So your professional account has been successfully created. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped to you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.